Hi guys, I'm Isa, and today we're going to learn how to edit videos using Microsoft Clipchamp. So first, when you open it, you're going to see this. So let's create a new video. So now, here are the stuff you can do. So let's import media. How about we import this video? So now we can drag onto the timeline. So you can cut the video. You can use the scissors tool, or you can just press S. When you press S here, it's gonna split the video. Now I can get rid of these parts. And you can also delete the gaps if you want. So like if I split these parts, I get rid of this, I can get rid of the gap. It's now we have this short clip. So now we can use record and create. Well, I mean, if you want to do this, so like let's try this quick recording of your screen video or whatever. Yeah. Okay, well, whatever. Well, you can do that if you want. There's the content library. It just, contains a bunch of free content or whatever you can use. And templates. Well, they're just, templates for a video. Now we're gonna move on to text. So let's put some text here. We'll also zoom out the timeline by using this plus button. So yeah, put the text here. Now you can manipulate it or whatever. Speaking of, you can manipulate the video in the same way. So like, let's do this or whatever. Here's the text. There are a bunch of different text styles you can use. Yeah. And now let's move into transitions. So say you want to transition from one clip to another. So like for example, how about the crossfade? Let's drag down to here. Actually, I need to have two clips. So let's say we put this over here. Okay, actually, I think I'm just gonna copy a text. Ctrl C and Ctrl V. I'm gonna put them on the same timeline. I'm just use this. I'll press S to split it. And then a crossfade. I'm gonna apply it in between these two. Then let's see. I mean, well, it did famously in two clips, but it's not really that clear. Let's do this. Now it's at crossfade. Text is gonna say, okay, yeah, now it's pretty clear that I faded. You can also separate the audio from the video with the audio and then detach. So the audio is loading right now. So yeah, the audio will be right there. You can see on the timeline as well, so you can just get rid of it if you don't want the video to have any audio in it. Oh, those is brand kits, but we're not really interested in it right now. Anyway, so now let's try to take a simple video. So we just have some text. How about this one? Well, you can also change the style of text over here if you want to. So like, you pick this. And then over here, have a bunch of stuff. Fade, effects, just colors. Let's go to the effects menu. So yeah, we will see a bunch of effects. So let's how about you select the pulse effect. Yeah, this is pulsing. Also add these effects because why not? So yeah, now I'm gonna copy the clip and then paste this here. I'm gonna remove the effect. So yeah, also it's just a fade. Because it's just fade in, fade out. So like for example, also have fade out to this thing, and then fade in over here. Yeah. You know, you can do some color grading, like increase the saturation, exposure, and stuff like that. It'll work if the text had color. Yeah, now let's look at the video, a preview. You're gonna change the size of the preview if you want to. But yeah, now if you want to render your videos, so here are all the here are all the resolutions you can use. Let's export in 480p, this is just a test. So yeah, it's rendering. But yeah, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. So bye.